In this quick tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can fix I can't comment on Facebook. So first of all, you have to long press on your Facebook application and then you have to click on this app info option. Then you will have an interface like this, and over here you will find an option called storage and cache. So now you have to click on this option and then you will find option called clear cache. So now you have to click on clear cache and then you have to go back. After that you will find option called force stop. So now you have to click on force stop and force stop your Facebook application. After that you have to go back to the home screen of your phone, and now you have to open your Play Store or App Store, whichever device you use, and then you have to click on a search bar, and now you have to search for Facebook, and then you have to update your Facebook to the latest version available, and after that you have to go back to the home screen of your phone, and now you have to long press on the power button of your phone, and now you have to restart your phone so that all the settings will apply evenly, and then you have to open your Facebook and comment on any post, and that is how you can solve this problem. So if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like it, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe.